Hello everyone, it is 8:27 in the morning, which is still really early for me. I'm not very much of a morning person, but we still have an hour till it actually starts, but I wanted to kind of share with you, as I said, it's the craziness, so you can see behind me, but look at that.
Oh, good morning now.
Good morning. That is 500 demos, all swapping, all getting cups of tea and coffee, settling in, making themselves comfy for the day ahead. Lovely Nikki. So this is it. This is what the craziness is all about. This is how it starts. We are here to have fun today. So I will hopefully come and share with you. But look at this. All for paper, glue and ribbon. Who'd have thought? Right, I'll be back later. See you later.